I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?
Stop. I just want to say hi. Hello. I had a huge breakdown last night. I cried and slept right away. And I ate a chocolate cake last night. It was chocolate cake. This tastes so bomb. And what else?
A few moments later.
And my mouth went. I'm gonna get up and let's start the day.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Tapi tu ai tu cai cai dia buat. Tak sih orang cai dah ni. Kenapa? Ha? I am now preparing my lunch. I will be frying these dumplings. Their taste is similar to the homemade one. I bought them from City Mart. You can also air fry them if you want to, but if you don't want to, you can fry them in olive oil. Update, me and my sister are going to be by ourselves from Friday to Monday because my parents are going on a business trip for weekend, baby, and I also have a date with Lynn on Saturday. We'll also vlog on that day, so it's gonna be so much fun. Happy girl. I'm currently having my parents packing their suitcase.
A few moments later.
Hello. So, I want to show you guys that I decided to start making bracelet and also necklace, ring, and they will be made with beads, charms, and cloth. Is that how you call it? Cloth. These are the charms for Lily. Can you see it? Yep. These are the charms for Lily L. And also a gummy bell. And here's a fairy tale. Fairy. Yep. And these are alphabet charms. And what I have here is cloth or keychain. Is that how it's called? I don't know how I'm supposed to call it, but something in between cloth or chains. And yes, the most exciting part is that cute gummy bears. Look at these. These look like real gummy bears. Okay. Sorry. Can we start it again? Yep. Okay. What else do we have here is I will show you guys these pack by pack. Wait. These are charms. Wait. These are charms. And another pack of charms, which can also be used for bracelet or necklace. I don't know. It can be used on rings too. Charms. Another pack of charms. Yeah, same. Okay. Here is a elastic string. I also had beads. Where are the beads? Oh. Here it comes. Oh, it comes. My fuck. Holy. Oh no. Wait. Oh no. I'll be right back. Yeah. Here's come the pearls. The no. Fuck. Hey. Oh, holy. I'll be back. What the fuck? Shh. Okay. I guess that's it for today haul. This is Emilie shopping haul. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.